Ever pondered over the question, which is better for a healthy lifestyle, a Mediterranean diet or a traditional breakfast? A question that has probably crossed the minds of many health enthusiasts out there. On one hand, the Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern inspired by the eating habits of Greece, southern Italy, and Spain in the 1960s, has been recognized as one of the healthiest diets in the world. First, dive into the world of the Mediterranean diet. This diet primarily focuses on plant-based foods such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It replaces butter with healthy fats such as olive oil, uses herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor foods, limits red meat to a few times a month, and encourages fish and poultry at least twice a week. It's not just about food but also includes regular physical activity and sharing meals with others. The benefits are numerous. The Mediterranean diet is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep you feeling full. It's also high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, reducing the risk of inflammation and oxidative stress. Olive oil and nuts contain monounsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. Additionally, this diet is linked to lower rates of heart disease and has been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's diseases. However, the Mediterranean diet is not without its drawbacks. It can be more expensive as fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, and nuts often cost more than processed foods. It can also be time-consuming to prepare and may not be suitable for those with certain food allergies or dietary restrictions. On the other hand, a traditional breakfast with its classic combination of eggs, toast, and bacon or a bowl of cereal has been a staple in many households for generations. Switching gears to the traditional breakfast. This meal typically includes a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Eggs provide a good source of protein and vitamin D, while toast or cereal provides the necessary carbohydrates for energy. Bacon or sausage adds a savory component and additional protein. The traditional breakfast can keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning, preventing overeating later in the day. It's also generally quick and easy to prepare, making it convenient for those with busy schedules. However, a traditional breakfast can be high in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium, especially when it includes processed meats like bacon or sausage. It can also be high in sugar if you're reaching for sweetened cereals or adding syrup to your pancakes. These factors can contribute to health issues such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and obesity. In conclusion, both the Mediterranean diet and traditional breakfast have their benefits and drawbacks. Remember, everyone's body is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's always important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. And of course, it never hurts to consult a healthcare professional or a nutritionist when making significant changes to your diet. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison between the Mediterranean diet and a traditional breakfast. A healthy lifestyle isn't about finding the perfect diet, but about finding the right balance. So the next time you're pondering over your meal choices, remember this information and make the choice that best suits your lifestyle and dietary needs.